Yeah, sounds like it. Lightning just then. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon, I believe. Look at the amount of hail on my lawn now. I keep zooming in. That is 25 times zoom from where I am. Oh shit, lightning close. Look at that hail. Just looking at it, I mean, that's about half a centimetre to a centimetre in size. These bits of hail. Oh, I'm just more worried about my blooming tomato plants. That's just unbelievable. You shouldn't be getting weather like this in blooming May. It's starting to get a little bit of water building up. Floating hail is what that is. Wow, this is unbelievable. But like I said, this time of year, birds have well and truly already nested. There'll be young birds about to leave the nests. Days like this, birds can't get insects because all the insects bury themselves and hide. So not good. I'm just going to film for a little bit longer in case there's a lightning strike again. I can get on video. Unlikely. I'm seeing flashes in the area, but not like streaks in the sky. Yeah, it seems to be up high. Just got to open my window so you can get the sound a bit better. Don't open it too much or else I'll get everything wet in my house. And then before I end this video, I'm going to go and show you a lightning website which shows you where lightning strikes are going off in real time. It's brilliant, so I'll show you. Someone told me, oh, bloody hell, another flash there, but I'm not seeing like streaks of lightning in the sky. Someone told me thunder is hail crashing into itself. I think that was another. That was either another flash or me blinking. Yeah, it was. I did a storm chasing holiday in May of 2015 where I went to Texas. Ooh, bloody another flash then. So I was saying I did a storm chasing holiday in May of 2015 where I went to America. I went to Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa and Missouri, 6 states, and we travelled 5,500 miles in 10 days. I'm not joking, that's how much driving we did. And we drove through severe rain and hail. I did manage to see a few tornadoes, but they were rain wrapped, so not the classic tornadoes you're probably used to seeing on TV. But it was worth doing the holiday. I'm glad I did it. And all my videos are on YouTube, on my YouTube account, so go to my playlists and find the ones that say Tornado Chase Holiday and look through those videos. I can hear a blackbird singing in this. Alright, I'm just going to film for just about 1 more minute and then I'm going to go and film the lightning website. Yeah, I mean, there's lightning going off up high in the sky, but like I said, it's not CGs, cloud to ground strikes. That I haven't seen one yet. There seems to be. Oh, let me film up high in the sky for one more minute. There's certainly a huge amount of energy in the sky. The hail has stopped now. Now it's rain. Whoa. I was looking down at the ground then, so I don't know if I just caught that one on video or not. Anyway, right, I'm going to go and let me show you this lightning website, and then when you hear thunder in your area, or if you see lightning in your area, look at this website and you'll be able to see how close it is to your house, and then you'll be able to decide how dangerous it is in your area. Right, so this is it. It's called lightningmaps.org. Oh, wow, it's over Cherry Hinton now, which is quite close to me. Hitting near the airport, so it's moving northeast. Yeah, wow. And these expanding circles are showing just how recently the strikes were, so yeah, wow, that's really close to my area. Jesus. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Actually, I'm just going to zoom in. Let's show you more of where it's been striking. So it's been striking Hills Road area. What's that? Queenie this way. Mowbray Road, Litchfield Road had a strike. You're joking. I know that area. Cherry Hinton, Coldham's Common. Yeah, the airport's had a strike. Shit. It's everywhere.